Shravan Gowda. I am telling about the summary of friends. There are two friends in this lesson. The name of two friends are Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. One who go to the outside of village and the other who take care of the family. And they were very close. Juman had an old wife who had some property. She transferred her property to Juman Sheikh and promises to Juman Sheikh to care of her and her living inside of Juman Sheikh. Juman Sheikh take care to old and sometimes after couple of years the Juman Sheikh do not care to the aunt. The Juman's wife do not get the food to old aunt and fighting with old aunt. The old aunt limits her cross and she asked to the Juman Sheikh. Juman Sheikh asked this is obviously my son, you are wrong in thing. The Juman Sheikh have very angry and he said my wife know what the house to run this way. The aunt becomes very angry and this case to transfer village panchayat and she go to Algu Chaudhary and said the all case and the Algu Chaudhary returned his answer. The panchayat will held in the panchayat was held. The Juman Sheikh and the aunt were asked their cases in all panchayat. The Algu Chaudhary, the Juman Sheikh stand up and said the wise of a punch is the wise of a heart and the God lives in a punch of a wise. He said and the aunt have the opportunity to choose the punch. She choose the punch of the village punch is Algu Chaudhary and the Juman Sheikh very happy because the Algu Chaudhary was his friend. The Juman Sheikh thought it and Algu Chaudhary was not came to a friendship or enmity. He go to the path of truth. The Juman Sheikh, his friend of Algu Chaudhary, announced the last sentence of the panchayat is the Juman Sheikh give the allowance to the aunt or aunt's property to give her. Remember, and the Juman Sheikh becomes very angry and the Juman Sheikh between the Algu Chaudhary's friendship bond was broken. The Juman Sheikh wants to revenge and the Algu Chaudhary having tight spot. Algu Chaudhary have two bullocks. One bullock was died and another bullock was sold to Samju Sahu. Samju Sahu was a car driver. He gave the bullock and the Samju Sahu asked to the Algu Chaudhary, within a 1 month I give your bullocks price. It said and the bullock was given and he was go to the other side. Within a 1 month the bullock was died. The Algu Chaudhary said to the Samju Sahu, the Algu Chaudhary said, where is my bullock prize. The Algu Chaudhary said. The Sanju Sahu said, I do not give a penny price of your bullock. Your bullock was right. He gave a bullock very diseases and disorders. The Algu Chaudhary was very angry and he shifted the case to village panchayat. The village panchayat was held. The village panchayat was held. Algu Chaudhary stand and said the voice of a punch is a voice of a god. The god lives in a voice of a punch. And the panchayat was held. The panchayat was held. The Sanju Sahu was you have a opportunity to choose the punch of the panchayat. He chose the punch of Juman Sheikh. And the Algu Chaudhary's heart is very sad and his face turned to pale. And he was very sad. The panchayat was held. The Juman Sheikh sitting on the chair of punch and he thought, I go to the path of truth or revenge. No, I am go to the path of a truth. And said the Juman Sheikh in all village. He said, Sanju Sahu get a bullock prize to Algu Chaudhary. The Algu Chaudhary was very happy and embraced the Juman Sheikh and he cried. Thank you.